2024 may see new records being reached. Already, ocean waters are showing new high average sea surface temperature. इतना high average temperature होने का कारण क्या है? Number 1, industrialization and human activities leading to increasing burning of fossil fuels such as carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, nitrous oxide, etc. जो heat को trap करते हैं in atmosphere and global warming में contribute करते हैं. Second, इस साल El Nino phenomena भी देखा जा रहा है, leading to abnormal warming of surface waters in the equatorial Pacific Ocean. Third, Sahara Desert से भी कम dust blow off हो रहा है. When winds blow and carry sand particles from Sahara Desert, these particles accumulate and forms a giant shade covering the Atlantic Ocean and reduces the ocean temperatures. Number 4, due to international regulations from 2020, the amount of sulfur allowed in marine shipping fuels has reduced to prevent sulfur dioxide emission, जो कि एक air pollutant है. लेकिन sulfur dioxide leads to emission of sulfate aerosols in atmosphere, which acts like a cloud और solar radiation को ocean तक पहुंचने से रोकता है. एवरेज ओशन टेम्परेचर्स के कारण ओशन इकोसिस्टम में गड़बड़ हो सकता है. Number 1, this may lead to increase in ocean stratification. Ocean stratification refers to the natural separation of ocean water by density, that is warm nutrient-poor water over cooler nutrient-rich layer. Winds and tides mix कर देते हैं इन layers को, but due to rise in temperature इन layers को mix करना difficult हो जाता है. इसके कारण oceans कम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड absorb कर पाते हैं और जो ऑक्सीजन absorb हो रहा है वो ठीक से mix नहीं हो पा रहा है with cooler waters, which is responsible for nutrient production. This is threatening the population of phytoplanktons, which are eaten by zooplanktons, which are again consumed by other marine animals such as crabs, fishes, starfishes, etc. Second, warm oceans marine heat waves cause कर सकते हैं, which results when the surface temperature of a particular region of the sea rises to 3 or 4 degree above the average temperature for at least 5 days. ऐसे marine heat waves के कारण coral bleaching बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. Number 3, ocean waves aquatic animal migration को भी affect करता है, in turn affecting fisheries, fishing tourism and all kinds of livelihood related to fishing. Number 4, higher ocean temperatures के कारण more frequent and intense storms like hurricanes and cyclones भी हो सकता है. Warmer temperatures lead to higher rate of evaporation as well as heat transfer from oceans to air. When storms travel across hot oceans, they gather more water vapor and heat, leading to powerful winds, heavier rainfall, and more floods. This brings us to the end of our video. If you find this informative, please like, share, and subscribe to Exact IAS and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching this. I will see you in our next.